Okay, question number 2, exercise 2.2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. So they have given perimeter. First of all, they have given it is a rectangular swimming pool. Okay, having perimeter 154 meter. They have given that length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So if you see here, they have not given breadth also, they have not given length also. So they have given the reference that if we take breadth as x meter, okay, if we take that breadth as x meter, then with reference to breadth we have to take the length. What they are saying, that length is 2 meter more. 2 meter more means we have to add 2, then twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means what, we have to take 2 times breadth, and what we have taken breadth, we have taken as x meter. Okay, so by taking this, by considering these conditions, we can say that the length is nothing but it is 2 times breadth plus 2 meter more. So we can say that this is its breadth. Okay, so here we can say that let breadth be x meter. If breadth is x meter, we can take length as it is 2 times breadth plus 2 meter more. So this is the length of this rectangular swimming pool. Now we have to find out the value of breadth and length. Now let us form this equation. We know that perimeter of a rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. Now perimeter they have given it is 154 meter. So 154 is equals to 2 as it is. Now what is length? Just now we have written it is 2x plus 2. This is length. Okay, and what is breadth? Breadth we have taken it is x. I hope this part is clear. Why I have taken this square bracket? Because in this bracket there is one another bracket of length. Okay, now let us open these brackets. So 154 is equals to 2 as it is. So let us first open this bracket. So we can write 2x plus 2, this plus and this x. Okay, so we can say 154 is equals to 2 in bracket. These are like terms. 2x plus 1x will be 3x plus this 2 as it is. Okay, so here let us open this bracket. So 154 is equals to 3 to the 6x, this plus sign, and 2 to the 4. So this is our equation which we will solve, which we will find the solution, and then we'll get the values of length and breadth. So we can also write it like this: 6x plus 4 is equals to 154. We can change the sides. Okay, so here we can say 6x is equals to 154. This will go to this side and it will become minus 4. So here we can say 6x is equals to 154 minus 4 will be 150. So here x will be 150 divided by 6. Okay, so 150 divided by 6, that will be 3 to the 6, 3 5s are 15, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and this 5. So here we can say that x is equals to 25. Fine. So here we can say that breadth is equals to x meter, which we have taken, that is nothing but 25 meter. Now let us talk about what is length. We know that length we have taken it is 2 times breadth, that is x plus 2. So it will be 2 into what is our breadth now, it is 25. 25 plus 2. So it will be 50 plus 2, that is nothing but 52. So length is 52. So can we say here length is equals to 2x plus 2, that is nothing but 52 meter. So that's all about length and breadth. So this is the answer of this question, question number 2. Here the important part is to form this equation. Okay, this equation is the most important part here. So you will find that breadth, length we have to take in terms of breadth. So if we are taking breadth as x meter, so length will become 2x plus 2. Why? Because they have given 2 more than twice of the breadth. So this is twice of the breadth and then more 2. So this will form this equation.